Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI Nova 9 and let me show you how to turn on and off camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button to open camera settings, and here we have to slide a little bit to general category. Now at the first page we have Assistive Grid option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off camera grid lines as we need. Now let me keep them turned on. When we move back to the camera, we get access to these lines in the preview. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition at our picture. And of course remember that these lines are not visible at the real photo, so when I take a picture and when I go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to move back to the camera, then to right corner settings, slide a little bit and turn them off here with Assistive Grid. So for now in the preview, the grid lines have gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.